Direction of the Commission, the AEROs and DROs are supposed to hear all of these people and examine their documents and then get convinced about the eligibility of all of these voters. And as part of that, in Kerala we have nearly 1,000 AEROs and DROs in the state, and we have issued them directions as per the Commission's instructions on the way in which a hearing has to be conducted. Now notices have been generated to all the voters and they are getting issued to all the voters, and the hearings will continue very soon. And we hope that within the time limit as instructed by the Commission, we will be able to clearly complete all the hearings. We've also informed all our AEROs and DROs to ensure that people who are bedridden, who are senior citizens, who are finding it difficult to attend, to be facilitated to the desired extent so that they will not have any kind of an inconvenience as part of this hearing. The hearings will be decided by the AEROs at the level of the polling stations or at the village offices based on the convenience of the voters as well as the convenience of the officials, and we will ensure that the instructions of commissions are implemented completely and in a time-bound manner as far as the hearing of these people are concerned. We are scheduled to come out with the final publication of the electoral roll on the 21st of February, and before that, well in advance, we will be able to complete all the hearings of the people with no mapping and complete all the activities. We are also undertaking efforts to get new voters with Form 6 and 6A, which are of Indian origin as well as people of overseas electors into the list before the designated time itself. Though they have time till the last day of nomination to the elections to give their or include their names, we are trying to create a campaign around the polling station so we can involve all the new voters and the people who have been left out earlier on to be included in the electoral roll as well. So, very systematic way in which our districts are all functioning, and we hope that within the time limit given by the Commission and as per the instructions, we'll be able to complete all the tasks.